Hello guys, good afternoon UAE and good evening Philippines. I'm here again in WTC Mall. I just check something. Oh, I need to check something in. Because they don't have Bilalo, I need to go to Spanish. The sweet potato. I'm here in again, WTC Mall. Anyway guys, happy Sunday. Today is a family day. Enjoy your day together with your family. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. See ya. I'm going down. Oh, they have a nice light there. I show you the light here. I show you the light. See the light because it's Ramadan. They put light decoration in the see. They have a nice light here. See, I like the bye guys.